Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Zen Egg and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that Grow a Garden has just dropped an update called Zen Update. And then in this update, you'll be able to get Zen Egg. Okay, if you want to get the Zen Egg, you can go to the Zen shop. And then you can click on show me the Zen shop. Alright, and then you'll be able to buy the Zen Egg here, but as you can see that right now there is no stock, so I need to wait until this egg is restocked. Okay, and if you want to restock it, you can use your shekels. You need 1 million shekels to restock. Okay, and I have already bought the eggs, so I'm going to go to my garden and then I'm going to hatch the egg here, and let's see what will I get from this egg. Okay, I'm going to hatch. Okay, and ooh, I got this pad. I don't know what it is called. Let me check it. Okay, it's called Shiba Inu. Okay, and that's so cool. Alright, and I recommend you to get chi coins. You can get it as much as you can, and you can get the chi coins by trading your fruit, your tranquil fruit. Okay, you can submit your fruit to the Zen shop, and then he will give you chi coins, and this is my balance right now for the chi coins. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Zen Egg and Grow a Garden and Grow a Garden Zen update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.